Hello everybody, how are you doing? I am catching the twilight hours of the day. Don't worry, I'm on high ground and any nature or wildlife should be coming in within the next half hour, but like I said, I'm on high ground, protected and gated, as you can hear. The dogs in the neighborhood alerting the neighbors that wildlife is in effect. I want to talk about today something that I feel is really pertinent and important to people as they are going about their days, whether it be family, in their career, in their place of business, or even within their own mind. Do you take a moment to stop and to appreciate all that you do, to love yourself, to hug yourself, to give yourself a peace of mind that no matter what you face throughout the day or the week or the month or the year, that you have the potential and strength to keep on going? They say it is important to have motivation, to empower others, to motivate others, to bring others' frequency and vibrations to a higher level. It is good on that realm to support one another, but make sure you do it on a daily basis. Make sure you do it and empower and motivate yourself. It's not easy. Believe me, I discipline myself every single day. And as you saw in my other video, how to learn how to acquire and adapt self-discipline. But do you take it to the extent? Do you really take a moment and look at your achievements, look at your goals, look at your tasks, look at your milestones that you have acquired this far? It's one thing to empower others, but it's another to embrace and empower yourself. You know, we are our own worst critics, and we like to focus on the could have, should have, would have, had I, wish that. But we must take a moment and say, I'm grateful, I'm happy, I'm so excited I was able to. The best key tips that I think are pertinent for motivating yourself is first by smiling. By smiling and saying that I'm still here. I'm still breathing. I'm still alive. And I've got so much to be grateful for. I've come so far and I have so much more to learn. I was able to help those in need. I was able to be supportive to the ones I love. And most importantly, I've been able to forgive, to be happy, and to be appreciative for who I am. The good, the bad, the ugly, the shortcomings, the mistakes, the failures and flaws, that is all part of my story. That is all part of my chemical makeup. That is all part of the journey. Allow yourself to be grateful for all that you've done, all who you are, and all you are working towards to achieve. You emulate the light that is within. You make the choice on how you feel. You create your own destiny with your emotions and your thoughts within your mind. The late, great Bob Proctor teaches us it's in your mind that matters, and it matters what's in your mind. Take time to heal. Take time to grow. Take time to appreciate who you are. Take time to love everything about you. You are a unique individual, and what makes us different makes us authentic. Be proud every single day of who you are, and continue to evolve, to be open to new information, and to welcome new opportunities, for those are the stepping stones of who you become. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown, bringing you daily content every single day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember always to press play. Plan life according to you. I'll see you in the next video. Be well.